I make picture.
Come by from now on.
Come by for now. I make picture. he
Come by
tell
from now on.
like do like this. Hi guys. Today we unboxing iPhone 17 Pro Max. Cosmic Orange. This one 256 GB. I show you spec. Both phone we unboxing now. Let's see. It's 256 GB Cosmic Orange. The other one also 256 GB Cosmic Orange. So both phone we now start to unboxing. Okay, you start now.
Yes, no.
Yes, now. You want to transfer the data, right?
Yes. iPhone 16 Pro Max.
17 Pro Max.
17 Pro Max.
Yeah.
1 year warranty.
1 year warranty. Maybe next month they will complete. After start maybe earning
The complete what?
for the YouTube.
You start now to do transfer for me.
Data transfer.
Yeah, but wait, I transfer out to my main bank. Phone winner.
He want to transfer the data or no?
Yeah, no, him don't want.
He don't want. See you.
Hello.
Both two phone we unboxing.
Hello? Hello? I give us a comment. That's my mom. I don't know. I'm going to put on 5.
I will give charger.
Charger. Huh? Call.
I have to know the one in the box.
Yeah?
This one. The one box.
Here can see.
Okay.
Yeah, here the number can see.
Okay, check.
Yeah, I know. Don't worry. What the last number? 2936. 2936. I know.
So this one?
Same. Yeah, this one, that one is that one. Don't worry. I make picture.
Come by from now on.
Come by for now. I make picture. he tell
From now on.
like do like this.
Yeah.
But you didn't buy for me. you should to buy for me also.
Give I'm making choose. I'm making.
You want to do? You want to transfer the data or no?
No.
Only all like this, okay? I activate.
Your country.
Yeah. Malaysia or which country you want to select?
Nigeria.
No.
Nigeria?
Huh?
No.
Malaysia?
Malaysia.
Okay.
Some Nigeria. Now Nigeria you buy them.
Later you can change yourself for that one Nigeria.
Before you go Nigeria, you put your team here Malaysian center, call Nigerian number, not activate. Even Nigerian SIM card, it's equal, you have for the network.
Okay. Direct call.
Direct call, do WhatsApp. Start now.
Yeah. Start aside. Just I do this one.
You have charger?
Yeah. I have. I give you charger. Finish this one.
Now what can you now see?
Bahasa Malay. You learn very well because you go every day. You have so many Malay friends. You play football. Okay.
You're Malaysian.
No need to select. Just give me. I do it for you.
Malaysian.
Put open lock.
Open.
Okay.
Storage 250.
256.
Yeah, the starting storage is 256 GB. If you want like above storage also can. This is starting storage.
256 also.
Yeah, 256. Now I'll come 256 GB. Because the software is only 22
Only 1
GB.
terabyte. It's not same price.
Less price from
Is this same price?
for this one.
1 terabyte.
No, not
Hey,
6.
so why you tell me I don't want?
1 terabyte.
I don't want. What am I putting?
You are a rich person, you can buy.
Jesus Christ.
Okay, continue and put your face lock.
Okay.
Continue. Okay, put your face. You can do.
We'll go to outside place. We could go buy this thing now.
The screen
Hey,
protection, the
No.
You don't want to push.
No, don't worry.
Okay, put.
Come charger.
No, charger you need to buy separate.
I put?
Yeah, put password. You can ask the KC. He know you charger you need to buy the separately. Charger not come inside. No,
Cable.
only cable.
Only a crate where I can get a crate where now. Did you the phone number? I put such a crate there.
Phone number.
Okay.
Yeah.
For that. I hope so.
I swear to God. Hey,
I
God.
wish for delete some kind of things. For delete some kind of apps.
Uch come, right? 21 he come. Uchi,
Yeah.
he come.
He tell you already?
No, I message him.
Oh, okay.
What I message I show you.
He owe you?
He messaged me yesterday.
He owe you?
Screen guard.
No,
Don't want to put?
don't.
Why?
I know where I put.
Where?
At home. Brother have shop for accessories.
Okay.
Yeah, so I patronize.
Your brother?
Yeah,
Which?
African brother.
I bring for you lah.
No, don't worry.
You be free. Why you
Don't worry.
You give me money lah. This one.
money, you
Brother, Apple 200 ringgit if you put the screen guard 200 ringgit. You give me just 100 ringgit I put for you. Really? Put password. Jesus.
what happened?
Don't.
Why are you like this?
No, I'm not like this.
No.
Casey, no.
Which case?
What about?
I call him Casey.
What about Raja? Raja said to you?
What?
Raja,
Roger?
the guy by airport.
No,
How much
he
owe you?
didn't reply. That one 1,000. Take strictly
I understand, no problem, okay?
his mistake, not mine.
Check the go and see before you go Nigeria. Check how many more is left. That's other guy about the story. And I mean, this guy come here, for this kind of things. All those kind of things.
Okay, so हमने data transfer start कर दिया already.
If you buy you water, self drink.
Yeah.
Moments never tell you about them, Sham. Who want to make you experience everything by yourself? Moments never make him come back first. Make him come back first.
I might give you 1,000.
Bring your own, I buy 1.5.
My one? You want? Sure?
100%.
100%. Put 1.5, I give you my one.
You bring us.
Up and down.
Put. Yeah?
Up and down.
Sure, huh? 1.5. Later, don't change your word. Okay, this is my one. Give me one. Yeah, you say my one. You can check my one. It's my one. You see, you say you buy, then give me money, lah. 1.5. This is my one. Which one? No, this is not my one.
And it's this one, iPhone what?
iPhone 8.
8. Oh, glass bag.
Right.
Home button. You open.
7149. Ale.
749.
7149. Now, first pay me 1,500, but then we discuss other thing. Pay me 1,500.
Don't show. And when you Google here before,
I'm not angry. I'm not angry.
not getting them less. Not getting them lesser than. But that nearly cheaper.
No cheaper. No cheaper.
No, their own be higher.
They're higher.
Their own higher, I know.
Yeah. I feel you not trust me, that's why. Brother, I feel that time you not trust me, that's why. Because I tell you already that they're higher. You not understand. And he give you refurbished one.
I just need just to see. I don't want you to use second hand phone. I don't want you to well at it. Just see. Come how many when sample. The price list in na board. So just to see I send them the picture that thing. Come go see on ya. Then I choose one at there. 16.
What?
Camera.
16?
Yeah.
Have.
Two camera here.
Two camera. iPhone 16.
No.
You want to see? Wait, I show you.
Bring. 16.
Brother,
Later, I call for you.
this one okay, comfortable size. Okay, no problem. But later you want plus or this one?
No, new one. Send me.
Okay, new 4,000.
That one, new one.
No problem. I give you new one. Pink
How
color.
much I give you for this one? With 4 plus.
For plus. 16 plus.
Yeah, how much I give you?
Which one? This one?
You forgot this one I buy from you.
No, you buy
2008.
from me. I know. I say how many GB? 512 GB, yeah?
512, yeah.
Yeah. I take this.
Now I'm coming again as well. It's all direct. I buy direct, okay?
No
I
problem.
buy direct.
This one you can sell someone easily. Yeah, I know.
I sell someone or I send to Nigeria.
Nigeria
I
expensive.
send to, no, I give my sister in Nigeria.
Nigeria phone expensive, I know.
I don't buy phone in Nigeria. How I be in Malaysia, I buy phone in Nigeria. If I add shipping fee, everything, it's easy.